Hello and welcome to the latest episode of Gym with Spearing, Get Innovating Now with Retico. Today's topic is the E300 range of smart, networked electronic overloads from Allen Bradley. And today is Dress Down Friday, and Retico, every Friday, we all put £1 in and it supports national charities. So welcome back by popular demand, Richard Parker. And if you Google Richard Parker and the life of Pi, you may get a laugh, which I definitely did. So Richard, the ability to advise on when overloads and contactors are about to fail is very valuable for UK businesses. By using the E300 as part of your control systems, it can be a great benefit. Can you run through some of the main advantages of using the E300?
Yes, thanks Dan. First of all, the unit has a modular design, so it's made of 3 parts: the sensor module, control module, and communications module, so you can customise it to your own application. Obviously, with the Ethernet capability, this allows you to seamlessly integrate with other Rockwell parts and also give you remote access and remote control to the unit.
Fantastic. Thanks for that, Richard. Okay, let's look at the product in a bit more detail. Here we have the E300 range, and very much like we did with Janaxon for the E100, we have a quiz for you guys as well. So watch to the end of the video and see what the question is and also what the prize will be for you as well. So Richard, talk a bit about the individual modules that compile up the E300.
Yes, so the E300 is made from 3 different modular parts. First of all is the sensing module, which goes from 0.5 amps to 200 amps. And then we move on to the control module. So obviously this is where you choose your coil voltage and also the auxiliary contacts that you're looking for. And then thirdly is the Ethernet module. There is also a DeviceNet module available. And obviously this is what gives the unit its communication abilities.
Brilliant. Thanks very much for that. Now your last challenge is, we're going to time you how quickly it is to put it together, okay? So, go.
It's not good, is it? Should do that bit again. We can't put that in. Start again.
That's going in, mate.
It's not.
Goes together. So can you run through that?
Yeah, quite simply just click together, and there's a locking tab there. And again, exactly the same thing with the communications module. There we go, complete unit.
Lovely. Thanks very much. It's that question time again. So if you want to win a £20 pizza high street chain voucher, the question is, Richard mentioned part of the E300 the current capacity of the module. You had a minimum and a maximum current range, so please use the below email link and send your answers through to us. Again, support is always available from Retico and Richard on the E300. Look out for the next Gym with Spearing video, and also please subscribe to the Retico YouTube channel. Lunch, Richard, before autographs or after?
I think before.
Before. Let's go.
Oh, Dan, by the way, who do I say about my bonus?
All right. In preparation for the Rugby World Cup, should we try that Japanese gin? Good luck to all the countries that are participating. Matinee.
That was down.
That was me. Brilliant.
Cheat.
I cheated him, Roger. I cheated him. That's very good.